Basic Desktop Support Engineer Interview Questions. 1. Who is a desktop support engineer? A desktop support engineer provides technical expertise to assist end users with hardware, software, and network issues. 2. What is a domain? A domain is a group of users, devices, and servers that share data via network resources. 3. Can you explain Active Directory? Active Directory is a centralized directory service for organizing network resources. 4. What is DHCP? DHCP automatically assigns IP addresses to devices. 5. Explain scope and superscope. Scope defines IP address ranges for DHCP assignments, while a superscope manages multiple scopes. 6. What is DNS? Domain Naming Service. DNS converts domain names to IP addresses. 7. Explain forward and reverse lookups in DNS. Forward lookup translates hostnames to IP addresses, while reverse lookup retrieves hostnames from IP addresses. What is an IAS server? IAS server provides authentication and authorization services. 9. State difference between DC, domain controller, and ADC, additional domain controller. DC authenticates users and maintains the directory database, while ADC is a backup DC. 10. Explain the default gateway. The default gateway routes network traffic outside the local network. What is a record and what is MX record? An A record links domain names with IP addresses, while an MX record identifies the mail server for a domain. 12. What is the speed of the bus? Bus speed measures data transfer rate in a computer system. 13. Define the fixmb command. Fixmb repairs or replaces the master boot record. 14. What is a SID? Security identifier. SID is a unique identifier for users and objects in Windows OS. 15. State the difference between Desktop OS and Server OS. Desktop OS focuses on user interface and applications, while Server OS manages network resources and server tasks. 16. Can a hard disk be converted to dynamic? If so, how? Hard disks can be converted to dynamic using Disk Management Utility, but caution should be exercised due to potential compatibility issues.